Remember those childhood McNuggets? The ball, the bell, the bow tie and the boot. Cute little box, happy toy inside, pure joy, right? Wrong. That golden nugget might have been hiding industrial pink goo you'd never feed to your dog. They called it mechanically separated meat. Translation: leftover chicken bits blasted into a pink paste, treated with ammonia, and pressed into nugget shapes. Yeah, you ate that. I ate that. We all did. And somehow, we survived, kind of. To calm the public, McDonald's Canada even made a video proving there's no slime in today's nuggets. So, breathe easy, or at least, easier. Even eating healthy didn't keep your stomach from harm. Subway got caught using a chemical in their bread that's also used in yoga mats. Azodicarbonamide, ADA. And while the US FDA actually approves the chemical as a dough conditioner, Subway chose to remove it due to public pressure. Guess that was one way to eat fresh. Beverages were not immune from being bad characters. In 2009, an American citizen filed a lawsuit, claiming he found a rat inside the soda he purchased from a vending machine. Pepsi's defense? Impossible, because, quote, Mountain Dew would have dissolved the mouse into jelly before you ever opened it. Yum. Citrusy rodent smoothie. So refreshing. Last but not least, let's talk about the beef with Taco Bell. Taco Bell's beef once tested at only 36% actual meat. The rest? Seasoned mystery goo and a dash of sand. Silicon dioxide, great for keeping tacos dry and making glass. But as they always do, Taco Bell defended its product, saying, it is actually 88% beef, with the remaining 12% being seasonings and other ingredients. Don't know if that makes us feel any better, but 88 is higher than 36, right? Well, congrats. We survived not just 90s fast food, but this video too. Honestly, eating back then was less meal and more mad science experiment we all signed up for. So next time nostalgia calls, maybe skip the slime nugget and grab an apple, or at least something that doesn't double as a lab project.